Greetings, Surplus here. I'm going to try to venture into some new type of territory here. I know you always see different type of videos on this channel, but I'm going to try to do a story time. Not a real story time, but a story time nevertheless. Now, if you're not new to the channel, then you must already know that I wear many hats, many hats, and my head big here. So, sometimes I'm a teacher of geography. Sometimes I am a actor. Sometimes I'm a daddy. And there are times when I am a poet. Some will say that I'm more of a DJ than a poet, but I am a poet. Now this story time speaks about, it's gonna be about 3 chapters. It speaks about the time I got into an online beef. With one of my poetry virgins named Mavric. So I'm gonna play chapter 1 of the poetry beef. Online beef. Alright, me catch a little games and quite frankly it bore me. Real man make video and spit lyrics. Me not throw a word pan IG story. You rhyme mill and swear you're poetic. More like pathetic. Face it, you couldn't make up a good line with the whole of Mac cosmetics. Matter of fact, you don't want none of this a smoke ya. You're gonna need a mask or a kerchief. You go block this a corona. You can't match my size. You a ant, me a giant, me a mountain, you there in a eyeshadow. Me a the sun, you are the moon. You know say my light you borrow. Me a the foundation, me a the teacher. But apparently you skip class. You should have keep your mouth shut like when you put on lip gloss. Quit now. Me a go just highlight the flaws, you should have concealer. Matter of fact, me will quit now. End of this a chapter. See you later.
One, two, the story are true. 3, 4, and I wanna go to Jake and more. 5, 6, 9 grade teacher make me sick. Surplus, the last name of Marvin. Open bracket, your slimy scum. Close bracket, unwanted fungus can't hide your scales and your fin. Ma do the maths and see the garbage you've been. Your propensity to sin divided by my skepticism equal a sketch of you in a kitchen copulating with a late chicken that you then